Ciao, Ciza.
South Africans are surprised as their rising music star Ciza declares his love for Nigeria. During a morning run through the streets of Lagos with his father on September 30th, 2025, Ciza was greeted with overwhelming love and cheers from Nigerians. This isn't just another celebrity trip, it's a story of Pan-African unity, music and cultural connection. Over the past year, Ciza has made frequent visits to Lagos, Nigeria to promote his music, especially his latest project, ISAKA II. Back in June 2025, social media went wild as Ciza shared moments celebrating African energy, unity and collaboration. Ciza's connection to Nigeria runs deep. He's collaborated with top Afrobeat stars like Tems and Omah Lay on his track ISAKA II 6 AM. His sound blends the vibes of South African soul with the rhythmic heartbeat of Nigerian Afrobeat, creating something truly Pan-African. And when it comes to love from the fans, Nigeria has embraced him like one of their own. During his stay in Lagos, Ciza didn't just stay behind hotel walls, he explored the culture, the food and the people.
This is the plantain with the jollof.
How is it now?
How is it? It's nice, It's going.
Even teaming up with the Nigerian TikTok personality to showcase Lagos life from a new perspective. He called Nigeria his father's land, a phrase that touched many hearts across both countries.
Yeah. Oh yeah, if I don't want to let it go, it says Ciza. 1, 2, let it go. Ciza. I love you, Ciza.
But beyond the music and the love, Ciza's gesture carries a powerful message. At a time when xenophobic tensions have strained relations between Nigeria and South Africa, Ciza's openness and collaboration show that music can bridge divides and heal wounds. His actions are a reminder that Africa's strength lies in its unity, and that the sound of togetherness is louder than any border. As Ciza continues to collaborate with Nigerian artists, he's helping reshape what it means to be an African artist, one who doesn't just represent a country but an entire continent's dream. From Johannesburg to Lagos, this is the new African wave, a generation of artists blending cultures, sharing love and building Africa's music empire from within.
Ciao, Ciza. How are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
How do you say this is good?
Are you good?
Yes, I'm fine.
Yeah. I think that's so.
Ciza, that's me. Me. Move
this and then you suck it out.
Same way?
Yeah, similar.
Same. You can't take that moment. Oh, it doesn't happen.
Niger boy.
One more time, let's go. I love you guys, Brenda. Thank you, baby.
What do you think about Ciza's love for Nigeria? Is this the future of African music? Unity over rivalry? Please drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring African stories from African Insight Official.
Man, so we got here the chippy detailing with the magic club, you know. Michael Jackson gave it to me in my dream. I gotta push you on, you know. You're an international superstar, multi-talented DJ, artist, producer, songwriter. Shout out to everyone supporting me. Ilinganya Flying, I love you guys so much. Shout out to my OG coffee. Got it at his Mary store. It made sense. So that it just needs to fit. You know, this is from Milan. Yeah. Okay, I love you guys so much. Don Cesario, see you at the show. Love.